Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to solve exercise 4b, question number 4. So without using a calculator, evaluate each of the following. Means we have been given three of the parts, and it's 1203 square, 892 square, and 1998 multiplied by 2002. So basically, this you all know that this exercise is based on the identities. So we're going to apply one of the identity to solve this question. So let's solve question number 4 quickly without wasting any time. So over here I have written the identity which we are going to use. So it is a square plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is also called, in other words, the completing square method also, but we are not doing it right now. We are using this one identity, okay, because it's basically the same thing. So in question number 4 we are having the first part, this part A, and it is 203 square, but we are not going to solve it exactly like this. We are first going to break it into two. Means we need to break this number into two different numbers, means A and B. So and then we are going to put a whole square to make it look like this something, okay. So if I break 203 into two different values, so it would be something like this: 1200 plus 3, then we can put a whole square on it. So it has become A and B whole square. Now we can put it in this form. So this is A 1200, means as you can see in the identity also, so we are going to write 1200 square plus 2 into A, which is 1200, into B, which is 3, then B square, which is 3 square. So it is pretty simple. Now the square of 1200, as we need to solve the question without using a calculator, the square of 1200 is 144. So 12 and 12 is 144, and then as we are having square, means, so we are going to put 4 zeros, I think. So then 2 into 1200 and into 3 would be 7200, and 3 square would be 9. Now we need to add all these numbers, means 14. So it is basically 40,000. So if we plus 7,000, so it would become 7,000, 47,000, 2 and plus 9, 209 would be the answer. Then in part B we are having 892 square. So I'm going to simply break it. So it could be break up like something that we need to put a number which makes it makes it the same value. So if I like write 900 and then I subtract 8 from it, so and put a whole square, so it would become, because 900 minus 8 would be 892. So I think it, because I cannot do it by adding, if we can do it only by subtracting, so then it becomes in this form, but the sign is negative, so we are going to use the negative identity also. Means now it won't be a plus b, it would be a minus b. So simply we are going to do the same steps: 900 square, and then it is, now it would be minus 2 into a 900 and into 8, which is the value of b, then minus, okay, so over here it would be plus and in the first one we are going to write it minus. Okay, then 8 square means b square it says, so 8 square. So 9 square is 81, and we are going to double the zeros, so it would be 4 zeros now. So 2 into 9 is 18, and 18 into 8, so it would be something 14400, and the square of 8 would be 64. So now it would become, if we subtract, so it would become something 765,664. So this would be the value. So this was part B. Now let's move towards the last part, which is part C. Now in this question, means in this part, which is part C, we need to use a different identity, because the question says 998 into 2002. So the identity which I'm going to use, and you all know also, is A plus B, A plus B, and A minus B equals to A square minus B square, equals to A square minus B square. Means first of all I'm going to make both the numbers in brackets. Okay, so 989, because now I cannot add, so I'm going to just subtract from 2000, subtract 2, it would give this value, and then in 2000 add 2. Okay, 2000, oh yes, 2000 plus 2. So now we have made both the values in the form of a bracket, so we can write in square also. Means we are having 2000, so we can write it one time as 2000 square, because if we multiply, so it would be square obviously, and minus plus is minus 2 square. Okay, then I'm going to take out their squares. So the square of 2 is 4, and the square of 1000 would be 40,000, 400,000, I think so, something like this, 4 lakh. So 6 zeros will be there now, because 3, if we double it, so it would be 6, and 2 square is 4 obviously. And then minus 4 square, means because 2 square is 4. Then we are going to subtract, means from this value we need to minus 4, means it would be something 3, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, and then from that we need to minus 6, 4, so it would become 6. So this would be the final answer for question number 4, part C. So I hope you like today's video. In this video we have solved exercise 4B, question number 4, and this question consisted of 4 parts, and we used 2 identities in this question. One was this one, and one was this one. So in part C we use a different identity, but in part A and B it was the same. So these identities we used in this question number 4, and we have solved all 3 parts. So I hope you like today's video. If you like today's video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you can get my upcoming videos. Okay, thank you, and Allah Hafiz.